Hi viewers, this is JD.
This is JH.
And we're looking for the Aussie Bigfoot. And we're out in the rain.
Oh yeah.
And it's foggy. It's foggy, it's misty, and it's a wet afternoon. Back to JD.
Yeah guys, come with us as we find your Aussie Yowie. Join us on an adventure guys, it's going to be bloody awesome. It is wet, it's foggy, it's slippery.
And it is interesting.
Oh yeah. So sit back and relax and watch our dumbass as we find you the Aussie Yowie.
Bye for now. Hi viewers, JD and I just setting up a short-term base camp. It's very basic, it's raining, it's very wet out here today, so we don't have a lot of dryness. So we're going to set up a fire here, under here shortly. We're going to set up some dry tarps under here and have a fire going later. And this will keep us dry from the rain. So all I'm doing is using Occy strap. We're just using some basic tarp and wrapping it around the trees. That's it. So just for a couple of hours, if it was here long term we'd set up a lot better, but just for a couple of, like for tonight's expedition, we're just using this. So stay tuned guys, back to JD. Keep hearing stuff, eh?
Yeah. There you go guys, take a look at that. There's a little rooftop, little area. That is absolutely perfect. Good thinking, bro.
Mate, keep us dry from the rain. We're going to put a campfire here, guys. This is the most basic you can get. But campfire here, you're dry from the weather. We've got trees around us. And if you look carefully over here, from the wind, you've got a lot of scrubs and shrubs over here. So that's a bit of protection from the wind as well. So now, we're going to go and get some campfire, some wood for the fire, and then we're going to check our tree camps. Stay tuned guys.
Something just caught my eye, just over here. I was coming through this passageway and I'm sure I saw a brown image just along through here and skated through there. There is something here, man. And I'm sure I just saw a brown one. Let's go back.